This is the SEAFLO manual to electric conversion kit, and today we're going to install it and demonstrate it. The conversion kit comes in 12 and 24 volt models. The 12 volt draws 20 amps and the 24 volt draws 10. Here is the installation of the SEAFLO manual to electric conversion kit. It fits in place of Jabsco toilets or SEAFLO toilets. It goes right where that T-handle flush thing was before. To operate the pump, you turn it clockwise for water and counterclockwise for no water. But it's really like more water clockwise and less water counterclockwise. The counterclockwise position is used if you have a lot of water in the bowl and you want it to pump out more quickly. When I installed this on the boat, it was one of the best upgrades I've ever done to a boat. Instead of pumping that handle 20 or 30 times, now you can just sit here and let the pump run. As we all know, it's not enough just to get the contents out of the bowl. They have to be pumped through the hoses, otherwise it will lead to unpleasant smells in the boat. That is why you could sit and hold the pump on for an extra 10 seconds and clear everything out nicely.